I really love your approach to teaching. Thank you. You're welcome. Provide a tool for those who are unsure of what they're doing. You're also essentially the connector between those who yearn and their goals. Appreciate you. That being said, will the API key be shared on this call? I'm not being arrogant, just curious. Um, nah, it's not gonna be shared. No, there's no key. I appreciate your nice words, but there's no key. Ain't no more keys, man. Ain't no more freebies. I gave you 3 months of three free everything. I gave you 5 years of free videos. I think my job here is done. So thank you. Appreciate you guys for checking in on the free stuff. 5 years of free. It's tightening up. It's wartime. They might have called a ceasefire, but I said, all fucking fire. Nuke time. Nuke to the outside. Nuke to the outside. If you're on the inside, you get everything. Lifetime. All access. Everything. Anything I got, you got. Anything I got, you got. Let's get it. Okay, so do I like any of these is the question. So deck screener here. I just want to go through Abrams. Okay, it looks like it's trending, but this is trending at a $74,000 market cap. So that's baloney pony. That's pony baloney oni. But I want to be aware of what my thing is buying. My copy bot is buying because that's the whole point. Again, another 74K. It's just nothing. This is all going to zero. It's all going to zero. It's all going to zero. All going to zero. They're all on pump fund though. I mean, I think that's noted. Asset. Nah, I don't like the perverted ones. Just disgusting. Just disgusting. I don't want to see an ass on a fucking Friday. Gross. Gross. Stoic, okay. 11 seconds ago. Okay. I need some sauce flying. I need some flyers. I need some flyers. Albert, I think I already got Albert. No, I got Abrams. Hey, justice for Albert. Albert, you're cooked. Albert, you are dead. Okay, Albert. Okay, you're gone. Scientist. The dead scientist theory. Did I like that one at all? Sheesh, bro. It's a zero. What is this? The ninth scientist linked to secret US space program has died. All right, I'm not even looking at that. I'm not a scientist. I'm a DGen, dude. I'm a DGen. Don't kill me. Abraham and reset. 77, 84. What's going on with the stock market here today? Hype up big. Is Amazon up big, Zoom down bad. Need those for my study, not even a trader. Nice, dude. That's fire using it for studies. I have a question, opinion. All this back testing and research, if I keep documentation of the steps of how it was done, all I'm really doing is training my own personal employee. Yeah. I mean, you're training yourself. Remember, you're the first employee. So, however you want to look at it. I think it's compounding, unlike trading. trading by hand, you're not compounding. You doing back testing, you building out systems. Director, you could be a director. You could be the director, you could be the boss, you could be whatever you want to be. Put whatever title you want, but you got to do everything. At least you got to be accountable for everything. You win a trade, that's on you. We lose a trade, that's on you. That's why I like trading. But trading by hand is just a waste of time, in my opinion. The big mofo. You the big dog. You the big dog. You the big dog. All right, let's keep it pushing here. So, oh, look at Abrams. Again, smoked and reset. These are both going to zero. They're absolutely both going to zero.